In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 amazing and healthy vegetable juice that will help for glowing skin and for digestion. So stay tuned. So to make this purple vegetable juice, I'll be using purple cabbage. Please make sure that you wash all your fruit and vegetable properly to avoid contaminating the drink. This vegetable juice is so good because it is rich in nutrients. It will help to fight inflammation. It will help to promote healthy heart and also keep your skin free from premature wrinkles. It will also help to boost collagen production. So when I'm done peeling all the fruit and vegetable, you can decide to use a juicer or you can decide to use your blender. Just add it into your blender, add water, blend until smooth, then sieve to get the juice. Finally, the purple juice is ready. This drink will help to promote signs of aging, boost collagen production. So for the second juice, the main ingredient in this is hibiscus flower and beet. Hibiscus and beet drink is rich in vitamin C. It will help to promote the production of collagen in your body and also help your skin cell to recover. So to make this healthy vegetable juice, make sure that you wash all your ingredients properly. You can cut all the vegetable into smaller pieces if you are going to juice them. Then for the hibiscus flower, I'm going to wash it properly to remove any dirty. Then add it into a cup, add hot water and allow it to infuse. The reason why I'm allowing this to infuse is because I'm going to use the hibiscus tea. Then when I'm done cutting out the vegetable, I'm going to add them into the blender, pour the hibiscus tea, then blend until smooth, then sieve to get the juice. So this is a wonderful drink that will help to aid digestion and also help to slow down the signs of aging. For the third vegetable juice, the main ingredients are radish, turmeric, carrot. This juice contains vitamin C, which is good for your skin. It will help to aid digestion and it is also good for boosting your immunity. Please always make sure that you wash your fruit and vegetable properly to avoid contaminating the drink. So when I'm done cutting all the fruit and vegetable, I'm going to add into the blender, add water, blend until smooth. Then you can use a fine sieve to get the juice. If you want to use a juicer, you can just add it into your juicer, then extract to get the juice. So if you are looking for the best vegetable juicing recipe for your health, try this healthy juice recipe because it will help to improve your skin and aid digestion. So if you want to get adequate nutrient that will help you to have a good digestion and glowing skin, I will inspire you to drink more fresh vegetable juice. And these drinks are so good to improve your complexion, weight loss, and also improve your digestion. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.